The GPU gold rush behind AI data centers. AI is not just changing software. It is rewriting the entire blueprint of the data center. Behind every generative AI model, every machine learning workload, and every high-performance computing breakthrough, there is one critical engine, the GPU. Traditional data centers were built around CPUs, but AI needs massive parallel processing, and that is where GPUs dominate. This shift is pushing operators to design AI-ready data centers optimized for GPU density, power efficiency, and next-generation cooling. The scale is massive. According to BIS research, AI workloads are compressing expansion timelines, with hyperscale data centers now being planned in the range of 250 megawatts to over 1,000 megawatts to support rising GPU demand. But here's the bigger story. This is no longer just a hardware race. It is a capacity intelligence race. The winners will not only be the companies that secure GPUs, they will be the ones that know where demand is rising, where supply is tightening, and where infrastructure risks are forming before the market reacts. GPU clusters consume far more power than traditional workloads. That is forcing rapid innovation in high-density racks, advanced power distribution, liquid cooling, hybrid cooling, and immersion cooling. Cooling is no longer a support system, it is now a core competitive factor. Yet many operators still track demand using fragmented tools, spreadsheets, and delayed reports. This creates poor visibility, reactive planning, pricing pressure, and the risk of oversupply or underutilization. BIS MarketIQ addresses this gap by offering unified visibility into GPU configurations, AI density, planned and operational campuses, capacity additions, deployment timelines, cooling architectures, and market risks. AI infrastructure is moving fast, and data-driven visibility is now essential. Subscribe for more market insights, and to learn more about this market, explore our report in the description below.